Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates. Inside Story Uganda.
Ojifu eba munjagana walaji nebyo kwere nebuli bwokuba ennyuma koti noyogera erinyoli ese mutabukira jogolo nambo byendi umalamu jogolo ndi umalamu
emindi bagitunda mu emida
nkugamba nti I attended one of Dr. Semogere's press conferences in 1987. He bragged that it was a DP sustaining the NRM in power. He proudly waved
so soon like that.
He proudly waved the list of the district commissioners, including the then Kampala Mayor Christopher Yiga. He seemed not to see that the state of affairs was speedily moving in favor of Museveni's NRM. At every stage of his government, there were fears that Museveni wanted to introduce communism. This kept the leaders of the Catholic Church at their toys. However, Museveni won out their hearts and became a close friend of the late Cardinal Soboga and almost the entire Kiraje. In an earlier futile attempt to understand and isolate Museveni as a homemonger, all of the leaders of the political parties joined the Rutwa's government with Paul Mwanga as the chief prime minister in 1985. Today, very few Ugandans still remember that Dr. Paulo Kawanga Semogerere, Bida and his son, Mayanja Anganyi, Agula all were ministers in Rutwa's government. Their strategy was to expose Museveni as a trigger-happy man, but they miscalculated Ugandans' opinion, rating as Museveni. They thought that Ugandans who were being killed, raped by government soldiers would support their new harmony, in inverted commas, harmony government, because all of the opposition sides were represented in it. It didn't work. Instead, Ugandans remained hoping for Museveni's arrival as the remaining hope for total restoration of humanity. Gondi Salimu Salia Ngamanti, what? Gasaja Gatusalida Magesi. Twakiziganyizana go tugawese pofazage tusinkane bombo gagenze kuwamba government nako gali gagezi gawamba government kateze n'abayekera era mu buli government mubera mu atayagala issues Gondi Toko yali asomye
Brigadier
Minister wa Defense wa Egypt nga they are ready to supply weapons. Toko frustrated all efforts natandika okuleta bajasi ba army, forgetting Tanzania entered Uganda because of self-security. Tanzania could not allow the Ugandan government that was dominated by Amini soldiers who were being ferried here. That's the story. Mutamanya wangulire. Kaire yakwata story najitwala mu Lupapula Lwanga. Nti Maria Mungu mutaka mu Uganda yagenze ne mulagwa na Binansi Nyerere Kala. The first peace talks were scheduled in Dar es Salaam. Nyerere rejected the talks. How could Tanzania allow Amini soldiers to come back? Then it would make the cost level useless.
Was it a propaganda?
Anti baba ba ebintu tebatubuuza. Okole kino ne kigwamu kino. N'okole kino ne kigwamu kino. Tigwe. Because there is a problem in government, Mayiga akolagana bana abantu. When these people have pressure, omanyi kibakola Museveni kiri bwe kiti. If you want Museveni alime kulwanyisa ababbi, create antagonism with the neighboring countries. The people are fueling anti-Rwanda sentiments bali wana. Kakati Mayiga akolagana n'abana abaana.
Kulembeze
babbi banne.
Yajidde ddala kale ntuufu.
Babbi banne.
Owe Rwanda.
Babbi banne. Akolagana nabo. Kati bamugamba asati mengo should asati self tiebanje ziwasoko okufuna bazikola mungi. How can you demand money from Museveni when he was a student in 66 by the time you took your ass there? Mwarwana no Obote. Was Museveni part of the Obote? in 66 bwomubanga muwala wammwe yagenda muwala wammwe aliko emandwa z'ekika lwaki mumukkiriza okufumbirwa nazo omusajja ayinza okiteekamu ebibye bwanobayo mugenda kulumba musajja ate n'ebimu si byabwe ebimu si byabwe abaganda bayoka embuga z'amagombola n'amasaza to be represented abaganda bakwata sente zaabwe from taxes ne bazimba embuga z'amagombola n'amasaza mayika azaagazaki n'owulya mayika ngaekyakoza district zive mu bizimbe bya kabaka bibye was it private good kabaka yalina property yemu yokka lubiri lwe bamunaanika that was lwakitaawe the others are public land bintu byabaganda muva mutya nti mengeragidde muve mu lukiiko mu bizimbe nga mubivaamu binti
ani mengo beragira be baganda
etya bino public bano kyebaagala kiri kimu kyokka
abaganda ani abakirira
liriko square miles 3 mwezi
mu
16 za mwami wa Gombolo wa Saza zino lusuku lwe buli gombolola mu Uganda ina square miles 10 bobulira bakayera anti nkubulye tulina weziri ebyapa chiwara bimale gwaloza are they looking for these dilapidated buildings banonya kubba taka maya akenda kalekebwawo omuzungu Sahale Johnston n'agamba nti kano kalekedde abaliddawo kuba abaami bamwe abatono bajja kutamiira bali kuzaaba amasamba bwe batamiiranga ne bagwagwala batunde eryabo mayira akenda kali kafugibwa Buganda Land Board etali eno chiwala bimale yadire ekikawa n'amakubuya n'akalinda
makubuya atayimenga akyaliyo
nina ewali akenda ndobo wa Buganda Land Board mutwale emisinde yajja wakenda akenda kafu abaliddawo kabaka bamwamairo
mukafu abaliddawo
neyo sabalangira omanye nti abasajja basabalangira ababbi n'ettaka lya Mbairo Land baliyita lya kabaka nebafuutula
ekyo gati bakimanya abantu babekaniddawo
balowooza nti ettaka lyonna lya kabaka kabaka alina square miles 3.5 zokka
sabalangira abiyiramuwaawo
mukenda mu lukaaga ettaka lya Namasole liriye Namasole yaweebwa ettaka lye okukwata amayiga banga mubbi wa mbuzi ng'ayingidde mu ttaka lya Namasole. Baganda don't understand these things. Bawayira abanyankole. Yes, abanyankole bateekeza ati bandi ettaka lya Buganda lyonna lyapimibwa byapa abanyankole babbye byapa mu Gunda ono omusajja
babaguziza
kikyokyo ekyapa kya Namasole ewali problem yakijjawa mu bank mortgage
Namasole ng'asinzeeyo.
Yes, nga Namasole center.
Akati interest z'abaganda ziri mu ttaka lya Namasole bazikole batya?
Nzi kubuulira.
Ani bazikole batya?
Wayini omusajja yamugambye nti ettaka ngenda ddibuza gavumenti weegule salaka akakuyagaanyi ayagala kukizanyisa mwe omusajja ayita Lubongoya namugamba nti Lubongoya omusajja muyina ssente naye Wayini yeegule obasijja ekyapa kiwe afuuka omuseze wa gavumenti kaakati n'osanga mu Wakiso pulezidenti naye alimba mu Wakiso yiika egula miliyoni 2 omusajja n'alumba omuntu omusajja alina ekibanja kye kyayiikanya mbumpaako 2 ngwe miliyoni 4 yazuwa abaana be wagenda enkokotokoembotuka bane nga tugaba naki why don't I go to the fund eya gavumenti nenkusasula nebaliwa najja nga nkuwalyaki you are punishing me because I kept my 4 acres mwiwange mulinyeyo mulabe byo waliwo omusajja Land Board yajja ewange nga ndi mu mpale yange enyimpi ndikunteza nge ntute nzifuira nekutaba bwenzi nemindi yange mulalo gwe oza wanjise musajja wakabaka owawa naliwa namugirako enkofiira yatomera geti nakonadawo yali aze kunziba ngo bandi yatomera geti emirundi ena
ate yaze kubba ki
nibagenda
okutaka lyabwakabaka
nyo bali bagenda okubba ettaka omusajja yali alima nakwata tepu nagiteeka mu redio neyogera eddoboozi lya tetuulyanga mirundi wano Buganda Land Board yadduka okutunda ettaka nebawayiriza Museveni nebawayiriza abanyankole have the banyankole grabbed your land titles nga bwe nkugambye how do your land titles Baganda land titles find their way in the drawers of banyankole? Do they grab them? But nobody can explain this. Ettaka lya Buganda lyonna liri documented mwetunze mwekka era mwe temukimanyi abayizire bwe badde ewaabwe oluvannyuma lw'emyaka 6 bagenda ku lusozi Ziyoni kyetuba tuyita Zionism ne basalawo baddeyo eka bagenda ne sente nyingi batandika okugula Abapalestine bagenda okulaba nga baweddewo buli mu Palestine yatundanga ettaka nga bamwasa akabazza ekiro. This is what is why they remained with the West Bank. Kabazzi
teri kutunda lwaki olyejjako
okuli abasenzi. The president has given you an option. If you want to sell land okuli abasenzi
compensate the basenzi
genda mugundi genda mu fund ebunyola ekola eyawano yagaana. If you want to kulunda abantu then twala busuulu bwo ontundira ku kyapa nosigalako ku kyala akola n'embaga ne bagendayo natalabanga dduse nga Ssabalangiro adduka empale nali nzingiziza Ssabalangiro oyo n'omulala bamuyita Batemyetto mutani wa Nabimba Katikkiro w'ebyalo bya Kabaka yagenda akube kojja wange mu ttaka netuleka tusooka tusikulamu ebifulejje
tuddaweeyo
tubazingize esimu zetwatisoso bajjako emboko omulagira bwakubako muboko teyaka mboko teyaka omulagira bayakubiddwa emboko teyaka naye ekyalo kyonna nemugana n'okugyayo embwenjizi mugyeyo embwenjizi mutwale abasajja emisinde abazze okubagoba mu ttaka nalakawo where are you going to migrate where will Baganda migrate to kubanga bano bamayiga bafere bo sente kati obugagga bwalina buyitirivu
ngo basaddeko ebigambo binene nnyo are you alleging oba
ate makumi esamugoba mu ddiiro yajja n'obukooti bwe obukono kwido
are you alleging oba oli ku kituufu
naddira obuwunga bwa pwenye n'abuteekamu ettaka ne bagamba Kabaka waddeyo miliyoni 10
amagezi ng'agajjeewo ago
bajja kakiiko ku national bamukuyo ne muzzaayo emmengo n'obukooti bwe Mandela n'aga nti agenda kumpabira ne mukuweereza obutambi yakkakana
buli kyoyogera okirinako obwiro kugamba
ebyuma bikola gwe ntwale wa Museveni abukukubire nkugamba nti pursuing further isolation Paulo Muwanga struck a deal with all the rebel groups save Museveni's NRA. By this, he hoped Museveni to yield to external pressure. Fortunately, Museveni had no strong foreign backers who could exert this pressure, and there was no domestic pressure either. This gave Museveni an opportunity to fight both the opposition leadership and the fighting groups and gave them a bloody nose. Although he later accommodated his new government, their political weight and value had been drastically eroded. They were viewed by the population as political opportunists and traitors. How could DP supporters, after enduring all sorts of atrocities in the hands of UPC, activists, chairpersons, youth wingers, be expected to follow Semogerere in a government that had accused of rigging and snatching his victory, simply because it has sent one individual mission in Botany into exile? This was political naivety on the part of Dr. Semogerere. In fact, more killings were blamed on Muwanga than Obote. Although Obote took the blame as the commander-in-chief, Muwanga, who was his right-hand man, as a powerful vice president and minister of defense, had more to do with atrocities counted in the 80s, especially the arrests and the killings of suspected guerrilla collaborators. Yes. Kakati nkugamba nti therefore there was no way DP members and their families who lost relatives like could support a DP alliance with the government where Paulo Muwanga was the executive prime minister. The same sentiments affected the Conservative Party CP leader led by Mayanja Nkanji, who served as education minister in the Twice government. The party treasurer, Wanu Mulondo, was arrested on simple allegations as above, being a guerrilla collaborator. His father, Rabi Mulondo, a renowned insurer in Uganda, sought the audience with Paulo Muwanga to save his son's life. Party leader Mayanja Nkanji accompanied Mulondo to Muwanga's office. Muwanga told the duo that had pardoned the young man on condition that he denounced rebel activities. Paulo Muwanga directed the rescuers to Makindye military barracks where the suspect was being held. On their arrival at the barracks court guard, they met a soldier who handed over to them the suspect's blood-sustained clothes had already been executed, and this was before being produced or charged in any court of law. It is pretty interesting to note that such incidents and many more of the sort did not stop the two leaders, Samugere and Nkanji, from serving in a government where Paulo Muwanga was the executive prime minister. They believe that if they did not join Muwanga for one, the chances of becoming ministers would never be real again. None of those who served in the Rwaz government anticipated that it was a matter of time for Museveni to take over power. Museveni had earlier predicted that the NRA was capable of storming Kampala and surprised the entire world. Very few indeed believed him. In the previous presidential election, Museveni has been underestimated. The media has always published his political obituaries before his actual death. In the 1996 election, the Mengo government openly supported Dr. Samugere. The regime just fell short of declaring Samugere their solo candidate. It was only betrayed by Kabaka's swift move to dissolve it on the eve of the election. What if it was not a statesman? In 2001, the Mengo government supported Dr. Besigye and ended up acting like ostriches. In the face of danger, they bury their heads in the sand and leaving most of their flesh exposed. It's funny now that if Museveni was a real threat to Mengo and more